Hello everyone and welcome to the Felicitysolar booth. I'm Faith from the Overseas Marketing team. Today, I'm pleased to introduce Fsolar, the intelligent monitoring cloud platform. Let's take a closer look at the Fsolar. I will walk you through 3 areas: the pain points our customer face, Fsolar's core advantages, and energy ecosystem construction. In today's energy industry, monitoring alone is no longer enough. What matters most is turning real-time data into higher efficiency, lower operating costs, and greater value from every power station. Let's first look at what is happening in the industry. Most traditional monitoring are still face 3 major flaws. The first is several data delay. When data takes minutes to update, decisions are also delayed. The second, lack of active dispatch. Many systems can detect problems, but they cannot effectively optimize performance and improve energy output. The third, complex configuration. Device by device setup make development slow, repetitive, and inefficient. Overall, the industry is still constrained by data lag, passive responses, and complex operations. At Felicitysolar, we believe the solution is clear. Fsolar is more than a traditional monitoring system. We position it intelligent monitoring and dispatches platform. Its goal is not simply to display to the screen. It is designed to help customers improve efficiency, reduce costs, optimize energy management. This is why Fsolar focuses on 3 key directions: edge to cloud to application integration, full coverage of business flows, and intelligent active dispatch. In short, Fsolar helps power stations move from passive operation to intelligent energy management. At Felicitysolar, we believe a monitoring platform should serve as an intelligent brain of a power station. Now, let me introduce Fsolar's 3 major advantages. The first advantage is ultra-fast real-time monitoring. With Fsolar, data can refresh within 3 seconds, give operator near real-time visibility into every time. The platforms bring all key devices, including inverters, batteries, and meters, into one united view. So system conditions are clear at a glance. Instead of delay monitoring, operator gets instant awareness and can make faster decisions. The second key advantage is AI power dispatching. One of Fsolar's capabilities, a long-space platform. Fsolar uses real-time condition, weather forecast, history data, and load analysis to generate optimization strategies. It can autonomously address inverter performance and keep the system running close to peak efficiency. With accumulated power generation forecast based on the history data and weather forecast, in conjunction monitoring levels accurate forecast of future power generation, providing a forward-looking basis for active dispatch. With dynamic load balancing, real-time analysis of each inverter's load, intelligent load distributor, and power regulation, maximize of solar resource utilization. In short, AI becomes an active operation partner, not just a lagging toy. The third advantage is one-click scenario space settings. With Fsolar, parameters migration can be completed with one click. When equipment is replaced or a project is expanded, setting from existing system can be copied directly to new devices with no repeat reconfiguration. For faster commissioning, users can select predefined scenarios with one click without complex energy setup. The result is clear. Development becomes faster, simpler, and far more reliable. Compared with the traditional monitoring system, Fsolar delivers major improvements in data flash, AI dispatch capability, parameters migration capability, and one-click settings. Finally, is the promoter access capability. In addition to monitoring, Fsolar includes several intelligent operator tools, such as fault message retrieval and intelligent customer service assistance, and one-click repair reporting. Fsolar is not a closed system. It supports open APIs, first-party device support, and similar connectivity with mainstream inverters and energy storage systems. Our goal is simple: to build an open, intelligent energy ecosystem for the future. At Felicitysolar, our slogan is "Make life full of hope, make the world better." It's more than a tagline. It reflects our commitment to building smarter, cleaner energy solutions for people around the world. Thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of the exhibition. Thank you.